But a year later, in 1999, more detailed data comes from a chase in northern Nebraska. It's late afternoon when they run into dangerous hail while tracking supercell thunderstorms that may spawn tornadoes.
We're getting mud splashed from the field onto our windshield.
With twilight approaching, Josh Werman is anxious to get both Doppler radar trucks into position.
Yeah, it's a very interesting time in the storm right now, so please redeploy quickly.
The storm is powerful enough for softball-sized hail, and by 7 p.m., the fast rotating wall cloud begins to drop funnels. Chasing tornadoes after dark is always dangerous, but the team are determined to keep going and collect all the data they can from this powerful storm. Just a few hundred yards away, they spot a spectacular lightning-lit tornado on the left side of the road. Suddenly, another menacing tornado touches down, this time on the right side of the road. For the university team, this was to be the last chase of 1999, but it filled in another piece of the tornado jigsaw for chase team leader Josh Werman.
With the data we've collected this year, we are much, much closer to having complete data sets on the entire life history of tornadoes.
In recent years, tornado chasing has become a popular vacation sport with hundreds of amateur enthusiasts.
Tornado out there. Right there, on the ground.
For just a few days, and with some help from a team of professional chasers,